Hello, it's Trevor Brody here, and we're going to be fixing a TV because
we're going to show you how to fix the most common problems on televisions. This specific model here is a Vizio.
Yeah.
Really nice 32-inch. So first, you just want to make sure that it's nicely protected and it won't get scratched. Now you've taken out a decent amount of the screws so far.
Okay.
So if there's one or two left over in there,
we'll find them.
well, no, usually you can just lift up, kind of, it'll break them and pop them out, and then you'll be good. So, but you don't have to get all the screws out. You just got to get the majority of them out.
Okay.
So now that we're back here, we're making sure that it's not plugged in, because you wouldn't want to like these two bars across here. You wouldn't want to touch if you did. No, I'm just kidding. We're good.
Assistant, no!
So we're gonna want to get the screen out of here.
Actually, kind of did scare me though.
Yeah.
But you play that joke a lot, so. The old
You saw it coming.
Where you like put your hand on a fence or something, and then you pretend it's like one of those electric ones.
I feel like you saw it coming, but the most important thing is just to make sure it's unplugged.
Should I go get the hammer?
Yeah, because we're gonna want to get all the screws unscrewed and the nails unnailed.
Do you think it's upstairs?
I don't know.
Because we did use it up there, so. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll see if it's up there. So now all you have to do is pick this up like this.
Okay. Yeah, so we got all majority of all the screws undone. Again, just the majority. You got one or two left over. You just pry them up and it'll pop all those screws loose. So, but sometimes there's this last part where you gotta watch your toes, but you gotta kind of knock. You got the hammer, won't knock this part out. Okay. Just kind of right up top, right.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping.
Yeah, so it's this specific model, that is how you fix a Vizio. 32-inch, so don't put on 42s.
And that is how you fix a Vizio TV. Daddy, can you plug it in, please?
Plug this bad boy in. Take a peek and see how everything works. The screen wasn't coming on earlier.
So we just turn it on, wait for it.
Oh, the light came on, so that's good there.
Okay.
That wasn't even coming on before. So I think that it...
I think we fixed it. Oh, wow.
Wait a second.
Oh, yeah.
Are you kidding me?
The screen broke.
Oh, it happens on these models. It's the 32-inch.
Should we try to fix it again?
They're very delicate with that. But on our next series on Trevor's
YouTube channel.
Trevor's YouTube channel, we'll tell your guests about
fix it, Bob the Builder style.
Yeah. So on the next series on TV fixes, we'll cover fixing a cracked screen. Until next time.
I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye!
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.